Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Hmong pickled mustard greens, an easy guide for a traditional favorite. We'll start by gathering just a few simple ingredients: fresh mustard greens, some salt, and water. Then, I'll walk you through cleaning and preparing the greens, followed by understanding the straightforward fermentation process. Get ready to enjoy a wonderful, tangy delicacy that's perfect with many meals. First, let's talk ingredients and preparation. You'll need about 2 pounds of fresh mustard greens, which are the star of our dish. For seasoning, grab 1/4 cup of non-iodized salt. This is crucial for proper fermentation. Before anything else, make sure your pickling jar is sparkling clean to prevent any unwanted bacteria. Finally, wash your greens thoroughly and let them air dry completely before moving on. Now for the simple pickling steps. Begin by cutting your clean, dry mustard greens into manageable pieces, roughly 2 to 3 inches long. Next, place them in a large bowl and generously massage the 1/4 cup of salt into the greens for several minutes until they start to soften. Then, pack the salted greens very tightly into your clean jar. Finally, cover them completely with fresh water, ensuring no greens are exposed. The exciting part is fermentation. Place your jar at room temperature, ideally between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 3 to 5 days. You'll notice bubbles forming, which is a good sign. After 3 days, taste test for your desired level of sourness. Once perfect, transfer your delicious Hmong pickled mustard greens to the refrigerator, where they will last for several weeks. Enjoy them as a tangy side dish or in your favorite stir-fries.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.